Hello friends, today we shall discuss about topic that what is project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. Project management is basically, if you see, there are two terms: project management, basically managing the project. So actually what does it mean? That it is basically a process of planning, organizing and overseeing a project to ensure it's completed successfully. Whenever we initiate any project, it is temporary, it is unique, and lots of stakeholders are there involved, lots of money involved, people involved. So this is very important that every project, whatever we are initiating for some objective and goal, it should have to be completed on time and completed successfully. So basically, project management involves coordinating people, tasks, resources, and timelines to achieve a specific goals and objective. So the key elements of project management are: first one is the planning, that means defining the goals, objectives, tasks, timelines, and resources for a project. Then organizing means that arranging those tasks and resources in a logical order to achieve some objective. Then leading means guiding and motivating the team to complete the task on time and successfully. And controlling means monitoring the progress and making adjustment wherever it is required as needed. So for example, just take an example of organizing a school fair, for example. So first thing is the planning, that means first we have to define a goal, that means organize a school fair to raise funds for a new playground equipment. Okay, so the task involved here are that choose a date and venue for a school fair, decide on activities and attraction. For example, there would be games, food stalls, performances, etc. Assign tasks to volunteers means decorations, ticket sales, setup, cleanup, etc. Promote the event through posters, social media, YouTube, Facebook, school newsletter, etc. Then decide the timeline, means that in the month 1 we will plan and organize the fair, then in the month 2 promote and prepare, and in the month 3 we execute the event actually. So the resources which involve, like people resources, means that volunteers, teachers, students, and materials involve decorations, tickets, food, games, supplies, etc. And then next is the organizing means that we break down the task, means first is the venue, means reserve the school gym and playground for the school fair. The activities involved, like arrange for game booths, food stalls, and performance schedules. Volunteers mean create a schedule and assign specific duties. Example schedule we will create, like week 1 confirm date and venue, week 2 plan activities and attraction, week 3 assign volunteer roles, and week 4 start promoting the event. So it is a very basic and simple example of a schedule. Then leading means guiding the team members, like hold regular meetings to check progress of the work, communicate clearly with all volunteers about their task, motivate the team with the goal of raising funds for the playground. The example are like weekly check-ins to ensure tasks are on track, address any issues or concerns promptly, encourage and appreciate volunteers' efforts. So this is a very simple example of leading the event. Then the last, controlling, means monitoring and adjusting, track the ticket sales and adjust promotions if needed, ensure all materials and supplies are ready before the event. On the event day, oversee activities to ensure everything runs smoothly. So examples are, if ticket sales are very slow, increase social media promotion through Facebook, YouTube, etc. Double check that game booths have all necessary supplies, be present on the event day to solve any last minute problems. Exactly. So project management is like being a conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that every part of the project works together harmoniously to achieve the goal. By planning the school fair, organizing tasks and resources, leading the team, and controlling the progress, you ensure that event is successful and raises funds for new playground equipment. Thank you.